The poem follows a simple emotional journey. The speaker is alone, quietly thinking about his past. Nothing is happening outwardly. All the action is inside his mind, in memory. At first, this reflection seems calm, almost gentle, but it quickly turns painful. As he remembers earlier parts of his life, sadness overwhelms him. Even though he is not someone who usually cries, these memories force tears out of him. The past still has power over him. Time has not softened what he lost, and thinking about it makes the pain feel immediate and raw. He grieves in two main ways. First, he regrets things that never happened. These are the hopes, plans, or desires he once chased but never achieved. The sadness comes from imagining the life he wanted but never lived. Second, he mourns friends who have died. This loss is heavier because it is permanent. Death has taken people he loved, and nothing can bring them back. As these memories pile up, the pain multiplies. One sorrow triggers another. The speaker describes this using the idea of debt. He already suffered when these losses first happened, but remembering them makes him suffer again, as if he is paying the same emotional bill twice. Memory does not feel distant or safe. It feels like reliving the heartbreak. By this point, the poem feels emotionally exhausting. The speaker moves from one grief to the next with no relief. Then suddenly, the poem turns. In the final lines, he thinks of one dear friend. This single memory changes everything. While nothing in the past is actually fixed, the emotional effect is complete. All his losses feel restored, and his sorrow ends. The joy and meaning of this friendship outweigh every regret and every death. Through love and connection, balance returns, and the speaker finds peace again.